How many of those do I need? Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and I need to get some oak boards milled up today. The plan today is 3/4 inch boards. I need 41 of these boards, so I have 2 logs here, both approximately the same size. I do have this centered up right now, the centers, and let's see how big this thing is. "15 inches on the big side. "13 inches on the small side." So 15, 13, I believe it was 10 feet, a little over 10 foot, like 10'6". Nope, it's like 10'3". So, what did I say? 15, 13. 13 is going to give us a 9-inch cant. So 13 should yield us a 9-inch cant. Maybe we can get a 10-inch cant, but I'm not 100% sure because there is some swoop to this. But my boards need to be 7 by 3/4. So this will be fine. Need 41 of them. Fortunately, I can't get a 14-inch can, or I could get, double the money out of this one. But I'll try to get some good lumber here and see how it goes. Excellent. New blades on. I haven't fired the mill up yet, but that should fire up, so we should be good to go. All right, let's get started. We have log number 2 on here, guys. It's been a fiesta. This is the blade that fell off last week, and I've got a handful of teeth missing. I think 8 teeth are missing out of it. But it's still cutting well. I'm still going to get back to that challenge. Sponsors out there that want to send me a wire brush? Getting pretty rough. we have 11-inch log. So we're going to get a little better to 7-inch can. And I need 7-inch boards, so I just may take away 2.7. So guys, that'll do it. I counted, I needed 41 boards, but I think it was 31 boards. And that's exactly what I have here. These are gonna be siding boards for a mudroom on a cabin. So they should be all right. It is red oak, but it's gonna have a stain on it. So they'll be fine, and they'll also be probably nailed in with hot dipped galvanized nails. That way they don't leave black streak. Well, galvanized eventually, you know, it corrodes and eventually it would, but by then I'll be long gone, and or maybe not, who knows. But the galvanized will keep it from streaking for a while, and the stain will too. But this oak was really nice oak. They weren't big logs as you saw, but it turned out really nice. Now, West Michigan today, it's the June 28th or something like that. We're getting towards the end of the month already. June 23 is gone by fast, guys. This is 4th of July weekend coming up. In fact, hey guys, this is coming out on 4th of July. It will be out Tuesday. I think Tuesday is the 4th of July. So, hey, happy 4th of July, guys. Hopefully everybody's staying safe out there. This afternoon, you'll be going out and watching fireworks, and if not already, maybe your community had them last night. But say, yeah, this comes out on the 4th of July, so happy 4th, you guys. My dog never had a problem with fireworks. My neighbors do. I'm not a big fan of fireworks. They're neat, but not a big fan of them. It's not something I go out of my way to go watch. All right, so yeah, mid-60s today. Wow, it's been beautiful. Yesterday, last 2 days it's rained. Today's the first day it hasn't rained, and we needed that rain so bad. Guys, literally here at my house, now, a couple weeks ago we had some rain, but it was just a light mist, and it didn't even last all day. In fact, my pavement kept drying up. Now, about 30 miles from here, 25 miles from here, some property I own, we got a lot of rain over there, but nothing hit us really here. So this was our first significant rain since the beginning of May, and it's the end of June. And we had 2 straight days of rain. It needed it, but it didn't. It's not. We need another week of it. Our grass is really dry. Well, next up, I need to. My son needs a new fence. And so we're going to make a, I guess it would be a dog-eared picket fence, you know, where they're all close together with the tapers. These extra 7-inch boards would probably be pretty nice, but I'll probably end up making them 6-inch. And I'll redo that. As soon as I get my saw blades, I'll redo that saw blade challenge and see how many blades or how many board feet of lumber I get out of a single brand new sharpened blade, and then sharpen it and see how many boards I get with it. Just a sharpened, DIY sharpened blade. I suspect the new blade will yield a lot more than the sharpened blade. All right, you ready for some lunch, Abby? Take care, guys. We'll see you at the mill in a couple days. Maybe I'll have something for you Friday. It's been hard to get out here. It's been so hot. I've been so busy. My ribs been jacked up. Maybe I can get back out here a little more consistently now. Starting to feel a little bit better. Still quite a lump on it, but probably should have. It is what it is. I love the sound of summertime. Watching the robins fly around and build their nests. I have a nest inside there, but I'm not sure what kind of bird it's. A little itty bitty small bird. Might be like a little Phoebe in there. Oh, I got some cleaning up out here to do. I'm getting a big pile of slabs again. Still waiting for a new purchase I've made. I'm supposed to get it in the middle of August. That'll be exciting for the channel. I wonder if you can guess what it is. All right, I'm just rambling. You guys know how I can do that. Take care, guys. Oh.